So today's sponsor, what? What's up, cookies? Welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome to the chaos that is our cookie community. We talk about all things in and around fashion, and sometimes I show y'all glimpses of my New York life. It's a struggle, but it's a beautiful living. Anyway, so today's sponsor, what? Okay, today's sponsor is Coach. So first and foremost, thank you, Coach, for sponsoring this video. It is going to be solely focused on this Coach bag. That's right, we got an unboxing. I'm packing to go home, and all the looks are gonna be centralized on this Coach bag. Now, here's the tea. Now, it's been going on, Black Friday sales, Cyber Monday sales. There's an extra 10% off for Cyber Monday deals. Get into it. The deals and all the details will be down below, and the links to the bag that I'm about to unbox for you, the link will also be down below. Now, the truth is, you know, early this year, if you've been following along, if you haven't, you could just watch it after this video. So just do some catch up. It's all right. But earlier this year, I said, you know, I'm a shoe girl. I'm a clothes girl. I got the wardrobe that I have, but I kind of feel weird and lost about my handbag journey. So this year, I wanted to have my eyes on and acquire some handbags that I love. And of course, Coach would be in that conversation. Coach is one of the leading leather hand goods companies out there. Has been, always been. My mom's mom wore it. My mom wore it. I wore it. My first luxury handbag was a Coach bag. I got it in high school. It was all black. You know, the little one that go on the shoulder and the fabric. It was black and it had the CCs on it. I mean, it was a legendary moment. It was my first handbag, and I lived for it. So, you know, I haven't had a Coach bag in a while. Truth be told, my mom took my last one. I had a bucket bag and she took it. She was like, "You're not using it enough. I'm gonna take this out your hand." So I was like, girl, okay, whatever. What's mine is hers. What's hers is mine. Listen. So they reached out, let me know about all the deals that are happening in store and on the site, and I had to go in and get myself a little something. And I'm going home this weekend, and I kind of want to stunt on my mom with this bag. So all of my outfits are going to be focused on this bag. So can we get into this packaging? The unboxing. They did ask me if I wanted a holiday treat on it. They had like these little snowmen and stuff, so they do have holiday packaging, which is good to know in case you want to do any gifting from them. They will do it on site. Now, actually went to the Coach location in Soho on Prince and West Broadway. Lovely store. I love how they merchandise it. The staff was really dope, really nice. They showed me what was going to be included, what wasn't going to be included, and they also have a whole personalization station inside of the store as well. So this bag, she's not your tabby. She's not your regular tabby. Even though the tabby is a vibe. The tabby, she's a good vibe. But this, I said, oh, who is she? We're gonna get into her because I feel like she's not a bag that's typically, she's not talked about enough. And I'm like, she's classy. And they have her in python skin. They have it in white. They have it in black. They also have it in a smaller size. And I was like, oh no, I love this red color. Her name is Idol, and she is an idol. So it has this magnetic closure here, okay? And you still got to see right there. Okay, let's get into this entire situation. So you have a front pocket with the flap, and then you also have two sections in the center, and then a zip entry right there. What I loved about this bag, first and foremost, was this silver chain on it. Can we get into, look at the detail on this chain, y'all. So not only is the leather always giving, the hardware is giving. It even has a backslide pocket, which is clutch, especially living in the city when you have like a Metro card or just you want to have a certain credit card on hand. This retails for $6.95. I got 25% off in store, and with the Cyber Monday deals, I could have waited, but I didn't want to wait. I didn't want to wait. So yes, I got it before the Cyber Monday extra deals, but I mean, and then she also comes with an extra strap, which, listen, I live for the moment. That is she. But I want the silver strap at all times. The silver strap is going to be out at all times, and you can take it out here and then run through this strap through the same canal there. But I mean, thank you for the leather strap, but this, can we please look at my bag. Look at my bag. Look at my bag. She is not your regular degular. She's special, she's sassy. The silver hardware, like, it would have been nice with bronze or gold, but it just pops. And everything that we got going on this year with the metallic silver is kind of more in the lead of the metallic family, and I just love. So what we're gonna do today, also thank you, Coach. What we're gonna do today, I'm going to pack my bag and put together some looks that will make sure that this bag is the star of the show. Because typically when I go home to Baltimore, I dress down. I'm super relaxed. I don't like to have any fuss. And, you know, honestly, I go home to visit with my family, obviously, and to sleep. I get the best sleep when I'm home in Baltimore. So we're going to pack Idol. I'll pack her with my regular things, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this gifting stuff to the side, and we're going to go pack my bag. I have 3 outfits. Actually, I'm wearing one of them already because today I'm going home today. I'm actually going home today. So I'm wearing my Thunder Bay black oversized t-shirt and Totem leggings, and then I have some loafers that I'm going to throw on and a Frankie Shop blazer. I'll show you on the split. And I'm going to be putting everything in this duffel bag, my little camo duffel bag, and yeah, I think everything should fit. If not, I have a secondary backpack for like my electronics and stuff, because I always take my laptop, my tripods, anything that I need to take home to create with, I'll take it home. But yeah, let's get into the second look for Monday, basically, in this bag. But don't you like it with this outfit? It, like the gray and the red. Girl, okay, let me get the other outfit. Hold on. Typically, I feel like this is the first time I'm going home for like multiple days, not just like 24 hours, which has been the case many a time, unfortunately. But this time I'm going to be home Sunday, and be home Monday, and then Tuesday for most of the day, and I leave at like 9 o'clock at night. So Monday, my dad and I are planning to have like our date day. Like, we're gonna do some things. My mom's always working, so we'll see her later that night. But I was thinking, if we go out into the city, we could do something in Baltimore City, and we could just be chilling. And yes, I did wear these last week. No, I haven't washed them. No, I wore them to the event and I brought my black butt back home. So this is the vibe. And then again, with the little loafers, I'm trying to keep it to like just one shoe being packed. But yeah, I got this from the Paco, no, the Robon and H&M collaboration. These are my Old Faithful Zara cargos, and then some Tom Brown slides. But look, first of all, shut up. I mean, it's the red with the green. It's all the things. Let me just, because I got the dual cam so y'all can see the things, but like, y'all. And then if it's, because it is going to be kind of like the same temperature It's going to be the same temperature in New York during my time in Maryland, but it might get chillier at night, right? And I'm gonna pack my leather jacket, my heavy duty leather jacket, and just wear this underneath. Obviously, like if my dad and I are like hanging around the house, I'll pack an extra t-shirt to wear with this cargo pant, but this would be the look that I would. This strap is, oh, I love it so much. Like why they make it so good. So yeah, I mean, and honestly, it was a toss-up because I looked at the cream, like the ivory colored bag that they had, and I was considering it because I already have a red bag, but I don't have anything white, and I was really considering this one. So, I mean, this one in the white, but the red, and in person, it's actually a little bit more softer red. It's not a punchy type of red. It's actually almost has like a slight pink, light pink hue to it. So it is very different from the other red bag that I have. But I'm like, child, you can't. My father's paying for it, but I have a handbag. You know what I mean? Okay, so this is for Monday. And then my final look is for Tuesday. I'll be hanging around the house doing work, catching up with my clients and stuff. So, and then I'll be getting on the train late at night. So I do want to be cozy the entire day. And I'm not going to go home and have like a whole bunch of outfit changes. Like that's not what we're doing. We're going to be cozy, use one outfit per day, and that's it. Okay. Let me show you the next outfit. I have this two-piece. It's not cashmere. I think it's cotton, but it feels really soft like cashmere. I got it from Gap, and then obviously my loafers again. And I could throw on a thick sock with these. They do have pockets, and this color green with this red bag. I say, hello, goodbye. Hello, goodbye. Y'all know how I feel about red and green. Even when it's not Christmas season, I just love it. I love it so much. It just pops. It just looks so chic. It just, oh, look at it. Look at it, look at it, look at it. It's just, they're so married together, aren't they? Oh my gosh. So yeah, this is the vibe. And yeah, I will actually throw on my gray blazer to go home with, because like this two-piece and then that blazer, it's fuzzy, it's warm, it's very cozy energy, and that's what I need on my ride back. So that's what I'll be wearing on the train ride back as well. But yeah, y'all, I mean, honestly, very cohesive pieces. I know that I'm gonna probably see a little bit more family than I normally do this time, but that's why I kind of wanted to be a little bit more refined. But typically I just be wearing sweatpants the whole time, or just like 2 pairs of leggings and a t-shirt. Like that's what I typically pack, but I wanted to have a little bit more specialty this time, especially because I got this new bag. So the new bag, I'm out here, you know what I mean? I think that this is a vibe. So let's pack everything now into my bag and hit the road, y'all. I got to go home. I got to see my parents. Okay, cookies. So I'm all packed. I'm ready to go. I just got to put my my electronics in a different bag, but I'm very excited to be going home. It's been a long time since I've smelled my parents' house and slept there, and just being around family always gives a little bit of that, like, you just need that dose of love. So I'm really looking forward to it, because I feel very like ran down, tired. Fourth quarter is always intense, so I'm very happy and blessed to be going home. And again, check the description box for the Coach Cyber Monday deals. I'm very excited to have been working with them for this video. Thank you again for sponsoring it, Coach. If you're watching, you should be watching. I think you're watching. You're in there. But this was really fun. And don't forget, check out the girl Idol. She comes in black, white, the python. There's 3 different colors of the python. Green, blue, and like natural tone. I was like, oh girl, not today, not at that price, not today, but I will. She's fantastic. So get into her, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Thank you for watching. Bye, cookies. I love y'all. Bye.